Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We're from group present to you guys about digital economic of Netflix. But before we moving on to the content, I would like to introduce group. And this is the member of the group.
Hello, my name is Ferdi.
My name is Eva Febrianti.
My name is Ari Melinda.
And my name is Iqbar Nafisa.
My name is Faisal Chandra.
I'm Nila Medrina.
My name is Muhammad Fadil Salafi.
Okay, I think that's all for the member of the group. Next is the table of content. Here we have 19 table of content. The first one is purpose of research, company overview, business model, SWOT analysis, BMC, pricing, competition, search and messaging system, platform and network effect, market digital media, labor relation, technical reason of Netflix success, non-technical reason of Netflix success, discussion, impact technology on business model, strategic implication, future roadmap of Netflix, conclusion, and the last is recommendation.
Next is the purpose. This is the main element to express, highlight what is their feature, their business model, and to see how their choices have led them into their success, as well as we can try to give conclusion and suggestion about how Netflix can improve forward on their business service and how they move. All right, next.
So this is the company overview of Netflix. Netflix Inc. is a global leader in streaming entertainment, operating in over 190 countries with a vast library of TV shows, movies, documentaries, and original content tailored to diverse audience. Initially a DVD rental service, it transitioned to streaming in 2007, and it's now accessible on various devices like smart TVs, smartphones, and gaming consoles. Known for hits like Stranger Things, Squid Game, and The Irishman, Netflix invests heavily in original programming and uses advanced AI to personalize recommendation and enhance user engagement. By partnering with global creator for localized content and introducing options like an ad-supported tier, Netflix continues to innovate and maintain its competitive edge in the rapidly evolving digital entertainment industry.
Okay, now we are moving on to the business model. Business model and revenue streams. Netflix business model primarily revolves around subscription, which account for approximately 90% of its total revenue. Subscribers pay a monthly fee to access Netflix streaming services. The remaining 10% of its revenue comes from advertising and partnership, including its new ad-supported plans. As the second quarter of 2024, Netflix had 277.6.5 million subscribers globally and generated 30.72 billion in revenue, an increase from 31.62 billion from the previous year. To cater its diverse audience, Netflix employs a robust customer segmentation strategy. It segments viewers based on the age, location, preference, and viewing habits. For age path segmentation, Netflix offers content for all age groups, including animated cartoons for children and dramas, horror and documentary for teens and adults. Location-based segmentation involves tailoring content to regional preference, such as Bollywood movies for Indian audience and Hollywood films for American viewers. In the term of preference, Netflix provides flexible subscription plans with including basic with ads, standard, and premium, each offering different features like ad-free streaming or enhanced video quality. In Indonesia, Netflix currently offers ad-free subscription packages but has plans to expand its ad-supported option to the market. Furthermore, Netflix analyzes user data to understand viewing habits such as popular genres, binge-watching patterns, and preferred viewing times. This allows Netflix to recommend personalized content, enhancing the user experience and maintaining customer satisfaction. We are talking about SVOT of Netflix, or strong good app, a strong popular brand with a huge audience worldwide, exclusive, high-quality shows like Stranger Things and The Crown, adapts quickly to customer needs like online viewing. And for the weaknesses or the Netflix struggles is high cost due to copyright policy and content creation, losing price competitiveness as subscription become more expensive, over reliance on markets like the USA and Canada. And for the opportunities or change for growth, Netflix can expand further into global markets with local content, add new customer-focused features and services, rebranding to stay ahead of competitors. And for the threats or the risks Netflix faces is competition from services like Disney Plus, Hulu, and Amazon Prime, content piracy and password sharing cutting into profits and increasing operational costs and slowing growth in key like North America. Now we are talking about the Netflix business model canvas. We have the key partner, Netflix works with content creators, production studios, and licensing partners to get movies, and TV show, they also team up with internet providers and local agencies for dubbing and subtitles. For the key activities, Netflix focuses on making original shows or movies and buying rights to existing content. They invest heavily in marketing and keeping their technology like the application to run smoothly. And for the value propositions of why people use Netflix, Netflix offers a huge variety of content for all tastes, personalized recommendations powered by AI, and it's easy to watch anytime, anywhere, on any device or even offline. And for the customer relationship, self-service platform, our users can easily 24/7 customer support and frequent updates to content. And for the channels, Netflix is available on mobile apps, websites, smart TV, gaming consoles, and streaming devices like Roku. For the customer segments, general public, like anyone who loves movies and TV, specific groups like anime fans, documentary lovers, and people who enjoy local content. And for the key resources, their proprietary technology, like their streaming platform, a huge library of original and licensed content. And for the cost structure, they spend money on creating or buying shows, marketing, and maintaining their streaming service. And for the revenue streams, they make money through monthly subscription and some ads in the specific plans and licensing their original show to other platforms.
So for the pricing, Netflix offers 4 subscription pages to cater to different customer needs and income levels. Mobile package, the second one is basic package, then standard package, and the last one is premium. This is the difference or only in the how many devices they use and how high the resolution is. But for the premium packages, they also include more audio features. Then Netflix tailors its pricing based on the economic condition of different countries, offering more affordable options in developing nations such as Indonesia and India, while providing fewer options in developed countries such as US and UK. Unlike the competitors, Netflix doesn't offer a freemium model. They focusing instead on maintaining profitability and high quality content. So the competition, Netflix has big four the first is Disney, then HBO Max, and the last one is then they played the game theories, the tit for tat, and the prisoner's dilemma. The cooperation and the competition is designed to avoid a price war. This approach aims to enhance platform quality and retain customer despite rising churn rates due to price sensitivity, especially in developed markets. Netflix must navigate local regulation and understand the regional consumer preferences, particularly in lucrative market like China, when it competes with established platforms like Tencent Video. Overall, strategic investment and compliance with foreign regulation are crucial for Netflix to maintain its market dominance around the world.
Next one will be the search and matching system. The purpose of search and matching system is to increase the level of engagement and satisfaction using personalized content recommendation algorithm. Netflix system relies on two main methods, namely collaborative filtering and content-based filtering, where both methods will operate with each other. Collaborative filtering is a filter that will suggest content based on similarities in behavior or viewing habit between users. For example, if there are two users who enjoy the same two shows, the Netflix recommendation system will assume that both users will like the other two similar shows. While content-based filtering is filtering that will suggest content based on a description of a content such as genre, cast, and director. Combining these two methods, Netflix has accuracy in predicting the preference of each user. Netflix uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to be the backbone to provide the content recommendation and increasing the user satisfaction, where they combine two learning methods, which is supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Netflix use supervised learning when analyzing user behavior pattern to provide content recommendations that are very likely to be liked by the user. And Netflix also use unsupervised learning for clustering or grouping. Each user will then be grouped into a number of categories based on their preference or habitual behavior patterns. Netflix superiority in creating a recommendation system also has a number of challenges and problems that must be overcome and anticipated. The problem that is widely discussed by the scientists and companies is the algorithm that is exposed to bias The algorithm that is exposed to bias is a trained recommendation system that actually promotes some content continuously, which is then called a filter bubble. The negative impact of the filter bubble is that users do not get a recommendation for discovering new content that they might be interested in. Another challenge is the issue of data privacy, a problem that arises along with the increasing amount of data and large benefit of data requiring companies to follow regulation between countries that are often different from each other, such as general data protection regulation that limit the amount of data that is allowed to be collected and analyzed by a company. With the implementation of this regulation, the impact on the effectiveness of a company's recommendation system can decrease.
And next, the platform and network effects. The first, Netflix has reached 238 million members, driven by initiatives like the 4G password sharing and offering affordable ad-supported subscription. And the next one is using the data to further enhance the acquisition of content and recommendation system is a cycle that will attract more users to Netflix. Both direct and indirect network effect contribute to Netflix success as an expanding user base and platform value. The next one is a big number of viewers are attracted towards Netflix content creating companies, ensuring that their work will get publicity all over the world. And next one is the collaboration with hardware and tech firm will make the service more visible and accessible through smart TV, gaming console, and streaming device, essentially going further into customer lives. And the last one is Netflix employs research to optimize the recommendation system with an creating a more personalized user experience that can increase loyalty and serve a wider variety of audience. And next we'll look at the Netflix strategies in the digital media market. They are 6 points to drive their success. The first is audience targeting, appeals to teenagers, students, young professional, and business interests. Localized multilingual content caters to regional tastes. And the second one is content segmentation. The categories include kids only, family friendly, and adult content. The customized viewing experience for different groups. The third one is advanced technology utilization. AI, data analytics, and machine learning personalized recommendation enhance user experience and drive subscription renewal. The next one is multi-channel engagement, multi-device accessibility, improved usability, promotion via social media, influencer partnership, and email campaign. Next is dynamic visual update, frequently updated artwork boost user interaction, and the last one is strategic adaptability, the data-driven strategies and market trend adaptation maintain competitive.
The next one is labor relation. Netflix workforce strategy emphasizes flexibility, high performance, and employee empowerment. Netflix offers competitive salaries and benefits to their employees related to traditional or gig worker. Netflix company culture promotes innovation, diversity, and high performance. They also face some challenges they have to solve, particularly for gig workers who face income instability and lack traditional benefits such as health insurance and retirement plans. Addressing labor rights and benefit for all workers will be crucial to keep the employee motivated and stable workforce.
And the next one is technical reason behind Netflix success. So Netflix success comes mainly from its recommendation system, which is the NRS, which use machine learning to analyze user data such as rating and viewing history to offer personalized content recommendation. The system accounts for 80% of streaming activity, enhancing user satisfaction and engagement. Netflix also relies on Amazon Web Service, or you can say AWS, for cloud computing, ensuring reliable streaming during peak times and supporting a seamless global user experience. AWS adaptability and dependability help Netflix maintain service quality and minimize disruption. And the next one is the non-technical reason behind Netflix success. So Netflix has adapted its pricing strategy to attract wider audience, including launching the basic with ads package at $6.99 per month, which boosts new user sign up by 40% and ad-supported subscription by 65% in the early of 2024. This success has led Netflix to expand the model to other markets. Investment in original content such as House of Cards and Stranger Things have built a loyal following and set Netflix apart as a provider of premium and exclusive content. Additionally, Netflix leveraged creative social media campaign and viral marketing to engage audience, enhance brand awareness, and refine its marketing strategies based on user feedback.
Discussion. This section explores the profound impact of technology on Netflix's business model and its current position as a global leader in the streaming industry. Impact of technology on business model. Technological transformation. Netflix has evolved significantly, moving from a DVD rental service to a global streaming leader. This transformation was made possible by embracing technological advancement like cloud computing, big data analytics, and machine learning. Next is cloud computing and AWS. Netflix partnership with Amazon Web Services or AWS and its development of the Open Connect Content Distribution Network or CDN has allowed it to expand globally while maintaining consistent high-quality streaming services. And next is the data-driven personalization. By leveraging user data and AI algorithms, Netflix has developed a sophisticated recommendation system. This system customizes the user experience, increasing engagement and reducing churn by offering tailored content based on individual preferences. Machine learning and content creation. Netflix also uses machine learning for content creation. The use of predictive analytics helps Netflix decide which content is likely to succeed, thereby reducing risk and ensuring content aligns with customer preferences. Next. And next is strategic implications. Cloud computing for scalability. The use of cloud infrastructure, particularly through AWS, enables Netflix to scale quickly and efficiently, ensuring high-quality service even during periods peak of demand. This flexibility allows Netflix to remain agile in responding to user demand globally. Decentralized platforms and blockchain. As the digital economy evolves, Netflix should explore blockchain technology for content protection and payment systems, which could further decentralize content distribution and ensure secure transaction. Next. And last for the strategic implication is the big data-driven decision making. Netflix's use of data analytics and machine learning has transformed its big business model by improving customer retention and satisfaction. By analyzing user preferences, Netflix can offer a highly personalized viewing experience, which provides a competitive edge in a saturated market.
Next is the future roadmap of Netflix. Netflix plans to deep which willingness and even creating virtual actors, which I really hope they don't do it creatively, because I think replacing scriptwriter and casting or even virtual actor is not a good idea. But they also want to micropayment for content, which would be achieved by blockchain, allowing user to pay for specific content such as episode or scenes, which should lead to more flexible and more granular pricing models. For example, like maybe using it to make an episode more pricey for behind the scenes. And then there's the cross-platform experience that they want to explore partnership with the gaming industry, which is allowing their user to unlock exclusive content through interactive video game feature. So it would be more of like a streaming service and also kind of a video game, which could provide for a better novelty and better value stream in, again, already saturated market. Then we have the content security and DRM. If they use blockchain offers a potential solution to digital rights management. So it would help Netflix to secure the content and use the usage right effectively, rather than trying to sue everyone who pirate them. But basically, using this would reduce the piracy and ensure the content creators that participate in their content are compensated fairly.
So for the conclusion, Netflix breakthrough innovation through utilizing AI and machine learning, then investing in creative content successfully satisfy and make comfort this customer. As a first mover and leader in this industry, it doesn't mean they have no challenges, and development is an important way to make Netflix could keep them focusing on customers and continuing to innovate. The principle that this company need to hold on to keep innovation adaptive with the needs of industry is for all of companies if they want to achieve this goal. So for recommendation, Netflix got some recommendation they need to consider too, such as the developing technology such as development of 5G network, blockchain, and improving artificial intelligence and machine learning, supposed to improve the services that Netflix provide to optimize the cost of production and increasing companies' revenues should be considered carefully and wisely. Taking proactive and innovative policies and action should mutually come with benefits for all of stakeholders.
All right. Thank you. This has been our presentation from Group 1, and see you next time. If